Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to print an email from Gmail. Whether you're using the Gmail app on your phone or accessing Gmail through a web browser, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device, or go to Gmail on your computer's browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account that contains the email you want to print. Once you're in, scroll through your inbox until you find the message you want to print. Tap or click on that email to open it fully. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots, often called the More or Options menu. Go ahead and tap or click on those three dots. This will open a list of actions you can take for that email. From that list, choose the option labeled Print. After you select Print, a new window or dialog box will appear showing a preview of your email. This is where you'll choose your printing options. If you're using a phone, it may open your device's print menu instead. Now, select the printer you'd like to use from the available list. If you have a wireless or cloud printer, make sure it's connected to the same network so Gmail can recognize it. Once your printer is selected, check the print settings that appear. You can adjust details like the number of copies, paper size, layout, or whether to print in color or black and white. Take a moment to review that everything looks good. When you're ready, tap or click the Print button. Your printer will start processing the email and produce a physical copy within moments. And that's it. You've successfully printed an email from Gmail. Whether you need a hard copy for documentation, records, or personal reference, following these few steps makes it quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need help printing from Gmail. Thanks for watching.